Our planet Earth is a tiny oasis in the vast cosmic desert, a fragile blue dot suspended in the infinite blackness. Look up at the night sky. The stars you see are just a fraction of the countless suns scattered across the universe. Every star is a distant sun, many with their own planets. Some of these planets might harbor life just like Earth. The universe is unimaginably vast, filled with billions upon billions of stars and even more planets, each one a potential cradle for life. Could we be alone in this immensity? The thought is both humbling and daunting. Or do other sentient beings gaze up at their own night skies, wondering if they too are alone, imagining what lies beyond their world? The possibility of extraterrestrial life, of alien civilizations, has captivated humanity for centuries, from ancient myths to modern science fiction. But the vastness of space presents a daunting challenge: communication. How do we bridge the cosmic distances? Sending a message across the cosmos is like whispering into a hurricane and hoping someone somewhere hears your voice. The odds seem insurmountable. Yet we try, we dream, we reach out. With every signal we send, we cast a line into the cosmic ocean, hoping for a response. Because if we could make contact, if we could break through the cosmic isolation, it would be the greatest discovery in human history. A moment that would redefine our place in the universe. Imagine trying to talk to someone across a vast canyon, your voice lost in the wind. The sheer distance and obstacles make it nearly impossible to communicate effectively. You might try shouting, hoping your louder signal carries farther, but even then the message might get distorted or lost entirely. Or you might build a fire, its bright light visible from afar. This method, while more reliable, still has its limitations, especially in adverse weather conditions. These are the challenges we face with intergalactic communication. The vastness of space presents unique obstacles that require innovative solutions. Our messages must traverse unimaginable distances, battling the weakening effects of space. The signals we send can take years, even decades, to reach their destination. Our primary tools are radio waves and lasers. These technologies have been developed to maximize the chances of successful communication. Radio waves, like those used for your favorite music station, can travel vast distances and penetrate interstellar dust. They are versatile and reliable, making them a staple in space communication. Lasers, on the other hand, are highly focused beams of light, potentially carrying more information but requiring precise aiming. They offer a higher data rate but are more susceptible to interference. But sending the signal is only half the battle. The other half is ensuring that the message is received and understood. We must also consider how to make it understandable. The encoding and decoding of these messages are critical to successful communication. How do you say hello in a language no one has ever heard before? This is a profound question that scientists are working tirelessly to answer. Scientists are grappling with this challenge, seeking universal languages based on mathematics or fundamental physical constants. These universal principles could bridge the gap, allowing us to communicate across the cosmos. In 1974, from the Arecibo Observatory in Puerto Rico, we sent a powerful radio message towards the globular cluster M13, a group of stars some 25,000 light-years away. Known as the Arecibo Message, it was a simple pictogram, a cosmic postcard containing information about our DNA, our solar system, and even a basic image of a human being. Years later, aboard the Voyager spacecraft, we launched another message in a bottle, the Voyager Golden Records. These golden phonograph records contain a curated collection of sounds and images from Earth, a time capsule of our planet's music, languages, and even the sounds of nature. These messages are long shots drifting through the vast cosmic ocean, but they represent our enduring hope, our desire to connect with something beyond ourselves. The distances involved in interstellar communication are staggering, almost impossible to grasp. Imagine shrinking our entire solar system with the sun as a grapefruit down to the size of your backyard. Even at this scale, the nearest star, Proxima Centauri, would be another grapefruit located thousands of miles away. Now imagine sending a message to that distant grapefruit. Even traveling at the speed of light, the fastest speed possible, it would take years for your message to reach its destination, and even longer to receive a reply. These vast distances not only present a challenge of time, but also of energy. Sending a signal strong enough to be detected across light years requires immense power, pushing the limits of our current technology. Section 5. Echoes from the unknown, anticipating alien responses. If we do receive a message from an alien civilization, what might it look like? Will it be a series of pulses, a complex mathematical code, or something beyond our comprehension? Aliens might communicate using technologies we have yet to imagine. Perhaps they use neutrino beams, gravitational waves, or even some unknown form of faster-than-light communication. But the possibility of contact also raises ethical concerns. What are the risks of revealing our presence to a potentially more advanced civilization? Could we inadvertently trigger a conflict, or unintentionally harm ourselves with technologies we don't understand? These questions are complex and unsettling, highlighting the responsibility we bear as we venture into the unknown. Section 6. A cosmic mirror. The importance of seeking other minds. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence is not just about satisfying our curiosity, it is a profound scientific and philosophical endeavor, one that holds the potential to reshape our understanding of the universe and ourselves. If we were to find evidence of another technological civilization, it would answer one of humanity's oldest questions: are we alone? But it would also raise countless more. How did they evolve? What are their societies like? What are their beliefs about the universe? Contact with an alien civilization would be like holding a mirror up to ourselves, allowing us to see humanity from a completely different perspective. It would challenge our assumptions, expand our horizons, and remind us that we are but one species on a single planet in a vast and wondrous cosmos. Section 7. Beyond the known, exploring alternative communication methods. While radio waves and lasers are our current best bets for interstellar communication, scientists are exploring other, more exotic possibilities. Some have theorized about using powerful beams of neutrinos, subatomic particles that can pass through almost anything. Others are investigating the potential of quantum entanglement, a strange phenomenon in which two particles are linked, even across vast distances. Theoretically, manipulating one particle could instantaneously affect its entangled partner, allowing for faster-than-light communication. These ideas are still highly speculative, bordering on science fiction. But as we push the boundaries of physics and technology, we may discover new and even more extraordinary ways to bridge the cosmic gulf. Section 8. Shadows in the Void, Risks and Ethical Considerations. As we gaze into the cosmic abyss, we must also acknowledge the shadows that lurk within it. The vastness of space is filled with unknowns, and with every discovery we uncover new risks. Not all alien civilizations may be friendly. The possibility of encountering hostile entities is a real concern that we must prepare for. Some might be indifferent to our existence, while others could pose a significant threat to our survival. The unknown intentions of these civilizations add to the complexity of space exploration. The dark forest theory, a concept from science fiction, suggests that advanced civilizations might choose to remain silent, fearing that revealing their presence could attract unwanted attention. This theory paints a picture of a universe where silence is a survival strategy. In this view, the universe is a dark forest, and every civilization is a hunter, stalking silently through the trees, listening for the sounds of others. The slightest noise could reveal their position and lead to their doom. The ethical implications of contact are profound and multifaceted. Engaging with extraterrestrial life forms brings up questions about our responsibilities and the potential consequences of our actions. Do we have the right to speak for all of humanity? This question challenges our understanding of representation and consent on a global scale. What if our message is misinterpreted, leading to unintended consequences? The potential for miscommunication is high and the stakes are enormous. These are questions that require careful consideration and debate as we continue our exploration of the cosmos. The journey into the unknown is fraught with risks, but it also holds the promise of incredible discoveries. Section 9. A universe of possibilities, our place among the stars. The universe is vast and ancient, filled with wonders we are only beginning to imagine. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence is a testament to our enduring curiosity, our desire to understand our place in the cosmos. As we continue to explore and send messages into the void, we are engaging in an act of profound optimism. We are expressing our belief that we are not alone, that somewhere out there, other minds contemplate the same stars and ponder the same questions. So I leave you with this. Do you think we should send messages to space? If you were to send a message, what would you say? The universe awaits your answer.